In this video, let's look at how you can manage plugins. Plugins are software modules that add specific features to a website. For example, we have security plugins, we have email plugins, we have form plugins, we have website builder plugins like Elementor. That's what we are going to use when creating our website. So on your dashboard, this is the dashboard. On the left side menu, you go to plugins, just hover your mouse there, go to installed plugins. If not, click on just plugins. You go to the dashboard of plugins. We have here plugins, add a new, we have all inactive, recently active, we have auto updates, and then it is a simple interface you can easily understand. Now you want to activate the plugins. If you have plugins already installed, they will appear here in a list. So you have a total of 6 plugins, but they are not activated. That's why you see activate or delete. So if you want to activate any plugin, you can activate one by one. For example, I want to activate this one. Let me click on activate. Few seconds, it will be activated. Then let me go back to plugins, because some plugins, when you activate them, they take you to their page, like that one of block C. So I want to activate other plugins, but this time around, not one by one, I want all. So you click on this checkbox, you check it. I've selected all plugins. Let me deselect this one because it is already activated. Then come here, drop down, you choose any action you want to take. So I want to activate. Let me choose activate. Then come here, apply. Apply, it is the button. It will perform this. So let me activate. You give it a few seconds since it is activating many plugins, not just one plugin. It has activated them. That's why you're saying deactivate. If you say deactivate, it means that the plugin is activated. So if you want to deactivate a plugin, it means that you don't want to use that plugin. Then you just click on deactivate. It will be disabled in the system and you cannot use it. So if you activate it, you have enabled it. So some plugins, when you activate them, they appear here on the list of the commands on this side bar. That's why we have Simply Static, it is a plugin. We have WP Form, it is a plugin. We have Elementor, it is a plugin. We have Prime Slider, it is a plug-in. And then we have Block C, it is a plug-in. So some appear, some do not appear. So mark that. What else? In case you want to add a new plugin, you come here, add a new plugin. So if your computer is connected to internet, come here and search. It will automatically bring what you're searching there before you even hit enter. But since I'm not connected, I want to upload what I already downloaded. Come here, upload plugin, choose file. Then you go to your folder where you have plugins. So this time around, let me install this post grid plugin. that one for managing posts. In case you want to create that page for news or updates, you need this plugin. Click open. Once it is here, then you click install. But these plugins are in versions. They always update them. They add in new features. So don't be surprised in case you see a new feature in the newer version of the same plugin. So let me activate it. When I activate, it will be added on the list of the plugins I have. You see, it is even added here on the list of the tabs. So when I go to plugins here, you scroll down, you will see post slider, post grid, not slider, sorry. So it is here, it is activated. So that is how you can manage plugins in your WordPress software. Thank you for watching.